We guide you through how to whitelist an email address or domain in Outlook Microsoft 365 so important messages stop going to spam. So the first thing you need to do is to sign into your Outlook account on the web, then click the settings icon in the top right and select View All Outlook Settings. From there, go to Mail, open the junk email section, and look for the Save Senders and Domains area. Click Add, then type the full email address or the domain you want to whitelist. For example, at company.com and press Enter to save it. Once added, emails from the sender or domain will automatically bypass the junk folder. If you are using Outlook on desktop, the steps are similar by going to junk email options and adding the sender under Save Senders. After saving your changes, refresh your inbox and you're all set. This quick setup helps ensure you never miss important emails again in Outlook Microsoft 365.